Friends of the Earth Club, you prepare a strict play to street play. You prepare a street play to convey the message that the clock is fast ticking away and that we must recognize the urgency with which we need to act. Did you understand the topic? Did you understand the question? No.
हम कौन सा क्वेश्चन करवा रही हैं?
I am discussing question number C5. C5, what is there? You have formed a club. Name of the club is a friend of the Earth's Club.
Earth.
Yeah. So this is a friend of the Earth. This is the name of the club. Now you are supposed to prepare a street play. Have you seen Nukkar? Have you heard the word Nukkar Natak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Nukkar means what? We can say that street corner means you might have seen so many people gathered at a one place. Now, due to Corona, these things are not common, but earlier it was common. किसी भी शॉप पे जैसे वो चाय का स्टॉल हो लोग गैदर्ड होते थे या वैसे ही कोई राउंड अबाउट हो तो देन पीपल यूज्ड टू सिट टुगेदर तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है यू आर सपोज टू प्रिपेयर अ स्ट्रीट प्ले ठीक है स्ट्रीट प्ले प्रिपेयर करना है और स्ट्रीट प्ले का मैसेज क्या होगा द क्लॉक इज फास्ट टिकलिंग अवे एंड दैट वी मस्ट रिकॉग्नाइज द अर्जेंसी विद विच वी नीड टू एक्ट मीन्स we have been very uncareful, we have been very careless about the nature. Have we been? We are not thinking about any type of pollution. It may be how many types of pollutions are there?
Water pollution, air pollution.
Air pollution, water
Air
pollution,
pollution, noise
soil
pollution,
pollution,
water pollution,
soil
soil
pollution,
pollution,
soil
Sound
pollution,
pollution.
sound
noise
pollution.
Yes, basically these type of pollutions are there. And are these pollutions affecting the earth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So they are affecting the earth. So now it's time, means you can say it's high time to stop these things, stop this carelessness. You might have heard, always it comes a Delhi pollution problem
Yes,
and
Yes, ma'am.
Parali. You might have heard the discussion that Punjab.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
Punjab.
Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana.
हाँ, Punjab,
Yes, ma'am.
Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, they burnt Parali and smoke creates pollution all over. ये बहुत बड़ा ये reason होता है ना. This is a very big cause of air pollution. It is not.
yes, ma'am.
Means it creates such a great pollution that the nearby places, it becomes very difficult to breathe. So today all the schools are closed and most of the, I think in no state the schools have been reopened. But when this corona condition was not there, earlier it was also decided, means DM had to take, honorable DM had to take a decision to close the schools, keeping in view the pollution. So this is high time to think and act accordingly. You might have seen during lockdown, one good thing was there. What was that good thing?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
pollution was
pollution
Ma'am, level of
level
pollution
was down.
became low.
pollution
Yes,
down.
ma'am.
We can say that this lockdown was a very uh,
Beneficial for us.
it was very necessary for the earth. We may consider this lockdown as means treatment taken by the God to
Yes, ma'am.
save the earth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This may be because this happened. Means pollution level controlled because all the vehicles, all the factories, and most of us were not using ACs also. Though it was so hot, but we were so much afraid of coronavirus that we were tolerating the warm weather also.
Summer.
So altogether, it became beneficial for the Mother Earth, for our Earth. So this was the we can say that this was required. What happened? So can you create a play? Can we have this activity? Can we form a group of 4-5 students?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
4-5 स्टूडेंट तुम लोग वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग पे क्या इस एक्ट को करने की कोशिश कर सकते हो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I give you the this homework?
Yes, ma'am.
अपने
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अपने means you can choose candidate of you can choose your means group of your own. खुद से एक क्लब बना लो और एक मतलब हर क्लास से एटलीस्ट 2 और 3 प्रेजेंटेशन तो आ ही जानी चाहिए.
आ जाएगी मैम.
आ जाएगी ना? ओके वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी, ये होमवर्क क्या लिख के देना होगा मुझे स्नैप होमवर्क पे और इट्स ओके?
एक बार दे दीजिएगा मैम.
ओके
मैम लिख के दे.
तो इसी क्वेश्चन को डायरेक्ट मैं स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर के शेयर कर दूंगी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we should discuss, I think, our next question. What is the next question? Yeah, next question is project. What is this project? Your school has developed a biodiversity park with a nursery, botanical garden, and space for vermicomposting. Everyone must be knowing what is vermicomposting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
As a matter of as a member of Haritima Club, responsible for the maintenance of the park, design an attractive pamphlet to be circulated among students, include the features of the park and in the instructions to be followed for its preservation. So a few students can prepare this street play and a few will prepare the pamphlet. Okay, so that I could get 6 to 7 pamphlet can be also prepared in group. कुछ एक स्टूडेंट से one student can share some ideas, another can share, so 4-5 students, and we will make a magazine type. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And that we will publish it. It will be YouTube पे भी publish कर देंगे. We will do. So this work should be very good, and this is going to help you how to write. You will learn to write play also. You can take help.
Ma'am, how to make pamphlet?
Play.
What we will do in that?
Play, I told, means what do you understand by play? Play means act.
Ma'am, she's asking about pamphlet.
Oh, you are asking about pamphlet. Pamphlet you might be seeing, might have seen. A pamphlet, when one school opens, or if it doesn't open, it's a well-established school also. Do they prepare a piece of paper, printed piece of paper, to advertise?
Ma'am, just like advertising.
Just like, you can say, just like advertisement. But advertisement is considered as commercial. Pamphlet is also many a time pamphlet is commercial, but here it is not commercial. Here we are going to do something good for the earth. जैसे नहीं होता स्कूल, मतलब इतने ये एडमिशन ओपन, fee structure, what is the speciality, what facilities they are going to provide, ये सारी चीजें होती है ना. So in that way you can make pamphlet also, but don't think that pamphlet making is easy, so everyone will be making pamphlet. We need play also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now should we start the cherry tree reading of?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who will read first?
Reading of cherry tree.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Shashank.
Pavni.
Ma'am Shivangi.
I think
Ma'am,
first
Ma'am, sir.
first who has told?
Shashank, ma'am.
Shashank start.
Okay, ma'am. The cherry tree. One day, when Rakesh was 6, he walked home from the Masuri Bazaar eating cherries. They were little sweet, a little sour, small, bright-red cherries, which had come all the way from the Kashmir Valley. Here in the Himalayan foothills, where Rakesh lived, there were not many fruit trees. The soil was stony and the dry cold wind stunted the growth of most plants. But on the more sheltered slopes, there were forests and oak and deodar. Rakesh lived with...
Stop, Shashank. Will anyone explain the paragraph? 2 paragraphs. Will anyone try?
Yeah.
The story is about a boy Rakesh who was when he was 6, he was returning home from the Masuri Bazaar eating cherries. The cherries were sweet, sour, small, and bright in color, which had come from Kashmir Valley.
Very good.
Rakesh lived in Himalayan foothills, where fruit trees were very less in amount.
Yeah. Why
the
fruit
soil
trees?
was
Just a minute.
stony there.
Just a minute, Pavni. Why fruit trees were very less?
Ma'am, because the
Because
soil
the
was
soil was
stony.
stony and the dry cold winds turned the
And
growth
the
of
dry
most
cold
plants.
winds stunned the growth of the plants.
Very
Because of climate.
Very good. Very good. So, next paragraph. What common trees were there in that Himalayan?
Oak and the other.
Oak and deodar.
Deodar.
Yeah. Oak and Devdar.
Deodar.
Next.
Rakesh lived with his grandfather on the outskirts of Masuri, just where the forest began. His father and mother lived in a small village 50 miles away, where they grew maize and rice and barley in narrow terraced fields on the lower slopes of the mountain. But there were no schools in the village, and Rakesh's parents were keen that he should go to school. As soon as he was of school going age, they sent him to stay with his grandfather in Missouri. Grandfather was retired forest ranger. He had a little cottage outside the town.
Now,
Rakesh was on his way.
Stop. Just Soumya, will you explain the paragraph? Aditya Kumar, 8H, will you explain? No. Will anyone?
Ma'am,
Huh? Yeah.
Ma'am, Bhavni can tell.
Okay. Pavni want to.
Okay.
Rakesh lived with his grandfather on the outside, means outer side of the Missouri, where the forest began. Rakesh's father and mother lived in a small village which was 50 miles away from his place, where they grew maize and rice in narrow terraced fields.
Very good.
In that field, in that village, there were no schools.
Yeah.
So Rakesh's parents wanted to teach his son, so they sent him to his grandfather who lived in the Missouri. His grandfather was a retired forest officer.
Yeah. So there is a question: why Rakesh was sent to his grandfather?
Ma'am, because
Rakesh was
There
sent to
was
his
no
grandfather because
facility of
his
There were
mother
no
and father were
schools.
keen
There
to
was Rakesh leave, and their parents were keen that he should go to school.
Yeah.
Because there were no facilities of school in the village.
Yes. Parents were living in the village and no school was there. So parents decided to send Rakesh to his grandfather because he was living in the area where schools were available. Okay. So it is okay. Next, who will read?
Shivangi.
So many hands are there. Okay, I am just giving a sequence. Shivangi, Pooja, Kritir has done, na? Shivangi,
No, ma'am.
Pooja.
I have not done.
Okay, Kritir has not done. Okay. Then Shivangi, Pooja, Kritir, Soumya, Ashish, Pushkar, and Divyarani. Okay. This sequence you people will remember. First is Shivangi, then Pooja, then Kritir, then Soumya. After that, Ashish and Pushkar, Divyarani. Pavni also, you have not done reading, but you have explained twice. So is it okay with you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So Shivangi,
Rakesh was on his way home from school when he bought the cherries. He paid 50 paise for the bunch. It took him about half an hour to walk home, and by the time he reached the cottage, there were only 3 cherries left. Have a cherry, grandfather, he said, as soon as he saw his grandfather in the garden. Grandfather took one cherry, and Rakesh promptly ate the other two. He kept the last seed in his mouth for some time, rolling it around and round on his tongue until all the tang had gone. Then he placed the seed on the palm of his hand and studied it. Are cherry seeds lucky? Asked Rakesh.
no,
Of
stop.
course.
Shivangi, stop. Who will explain?
Ma'am, Rakesh went home and he was eating cherries. And when he reached home, he had only 3 cherries left with him. His grandfather was sitting in the lawn, so he gave him one and ate the other 2 promptly. When he ate the last one, he he placed the seed on his palm and studied it, and asked his grandfather if the cherry seed was lucky or not.
Yeah. So
मैम मैम वेटिंग रूम चेक कर लीजिए.
no one is there in waiting room. I have. Are you people finding anyone in waiting room?
Ma'am, Anshika is trying.
Anshika.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have entered just now.
Oh, you have entered just now. Okay. But earlier you were also there.
I am reconnected because of the network.
Okay. Network issue. Okay. So what is the important question over here? Rakesh asked to his grandfather, are cherry seed lucky? Cherry seeds lucky? And before that, he ate all the cherry tree. Grandfather ate one and left rest of the cherries he ate. Last one, he wanted to just inspect what is there in the seeds, and then he asked, are they lucky?
Seed.
Now we'll see what his grandfather said. What did his grandfather say? Who will read? Whose turn is to read?
Ma'am, Pooja.
Pooja, okay.
Ma'am, Pooja.
Okay, Pooja, start.
Of course. Then I will keep it. Nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. What can I do with a seed? Plant it. So Rakesh found a small spade and began to dig up a flower bed. Hey, not there, said grandfather. I will sow mustard in that bed. Plant it in that shady corner where it won't be disturbed. Rakesh went to a corner of the garden where the earth was soft and yielding. He did not have to dig. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb and it went right in.
Okay.
Then he had
Just. Who will explain it?
Ma'am, Shashank.
Okay, Shashank, start.
Ma'am, his grandfather said that, of course. Then he said, I will keep it. Nothing is lucky if you put away from your want to luck must. Put it some use. Then he planted.
Okay.
So Rakesh found a small spade and began to dig up a flower bed. Hey, grandfather said that, hey, not there. I have sown mustard in that bed. Plant it in that shady corner where it won't be disturbed. Rakesh went to a corner and Rakesh went to the corner where the earth was soft and yielding. He did not have dig. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb and went it right in.
Very good. So, what important things were there about the seeds? Means about we can say that about the luck. Means it had been to, if we want luck from anything, it needs
We have to put it some use.
Yeah, we are supposed to put it to some use, and not only some use, at some proper place. At means you can say what is the earlier he wanted to sow the seeds at some place where his grandfather objected and suggested some other place. Why did he why did he object?
Because he had sown mustard
Because of
seeds
two
there.
reasons.
there was
Because
a
there you have
chance.
sown the mustard seed
And
and cherry trees need shady corners.
there was a chance that it may be damaged.
Yes, ma'am.
He had sown mustard seeds, so it may be damaged. So it need the favorable environment. And what was the favorable environment, or you can say favorable place? That was the place where it wouldn't be disturbed. That was
Shady corner.
that place was the shady corner. After, so he had the
Ma'am, what is shady corner?
shady means chaya, shade.
Okay.
Where is the line? Let me check. The went to the shady. That is the shed is a shady one, yeah. Adjective.
Yes, ma'am.
Matlab, if you plant something, it doesn't need harsh weather. Shady corner hoga, so it won't be, if it is kept properly, it won't be disturbed. And if shady, it is also said that if you plant something for a few days, it doesn't need harsh weather. So if any shade is there, it wouldn't be damaged. Next, who will read? Whose turn was to read?
Ma'am, Kritir.
Yes, start, Kritir.
Rakesh went to a corner of the garden where the earth was so soft and yielding. He did not have to dig. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb and it went right its way. Then he had his lunch and ran off to play cricket with his friends and forgot all about the cherry seed. A few months later, one morning in the garden, Rakesh bent to pick up what he thought was a small twig and found to his surprise that it was well rooted. He started at it for a moment, then ran to fetch grandfather calling, Dada, come and look, the cherry tree has come up. What cherry tree asked. Grandfather who had forgotten about it.
Just stop. Who will try to explain it?
Ma'am, Shivangi.
Okay, Shivangi, start.
Then Rakesh had his lunch and he went outside and he ran off and went outside to play cricket with his friends, and he forgot all about the cherry seeds. After a few months later, one morning when Rakesh was in the garden, he bent to pick up and he thought that it must be a small twig, but he was surprised to see that it was the cherry seeds were well rooted. First he stared at it for a moment, then ran to his grandfather by calling, Dada, come and look, the cherry tree has came up. Then his grandfather said, what cherry tree?
Okay, wait. So means he had sown the seed and forgotten. He had forgotten. After a few months, he was surprised to see that the seed had well rooted. It has. So he was very surprised and he called his grandfather and he told him to see that the cherry tree had come up. Had come, came. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Come, came, come. So had come up. So it was very thrilling experience for Rakesh to see that the seed he had sown a few months back now had started growing. Next.
Rakesh went down on his haunches while grandfather bent almost double and peered down at the tiny tree. It was about 4 inches high. Yes, it's a cherry tree, said grandfather.
Just a
You should
minute.
water it.
Aditya Kumar 8H. Voice is coming from your mic. Okay, now start.
Yes, it's a tree, said grandfather.
Oh.
You should water it now and then. Rakesh ran indoors and came back with a bucket of water. Don't drown it, said grandfather. Rakesh gave it a sprinkling and circled it with pebbles. What are the pebbles for? Asked grandfather. For privacy, said Rakesh. He looked at the tree every morning, but it did not seem to be growing very fast, so he stopped looking at it, except quickly, out of the corner of his eye. And after a week or two, when he allowed himself to look at it properly, he found that it had grown at least an inch.
No, okay.
That year the monsoon rains came early and the cherry tree grew quickly in their season.
Now okay. Who will explain?
Ma'am, can Pratik-
Kritil. Okay, start.
Rakesh sat down on his haunches while grandfather bent almost peered down at the tiny tree. And grandfather had saw that the cherry tree had grown inches high
Yeah.
and said that yes, it is a cherry tree. And said the Rakesh to water the cherry tree
So what are the
Rakesh, and Rakesh had watered that tree and circled that tree with a pebble. Then grandfather asked, "Why are you circle that tree with pebbles?" Then Rakesh had said that for its privacy. And when he looked at the he, he looked every morning that the cherry tree had grown or not. And but the cherry tree is not growing fast, so he stopped looking at the cherry tree. And when after 2 weeks, he saw that the cherry tree had grown at the cherry tree had grown the inches.
Yeah. So what is there here is that he was very much motivated to see that the cherry tree has grown up. Means he had put an effort, and effort was to sow the seed. He had sown the seed, and now he was very much motivated that his work had become very fruitful, and he was so motivated. So every morning he used to go and see, but he was demotivated. How was he demotivated? Because the cherry tree was not growing so fast. He hoped that it would grow very fast, but it was not growing so fast. So now he stopped looking at the cherry tree. And after, when it was rainy season, the growth was visible. Very nice growth was seen in the cherry tree. Was it there?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will read? I think any time. Okay, just read it. Whose turn is to read?
It was about 2 feet high when a goat entered the garden and ate all the leaves. Only the main stem and two thin branches remained. Never mind, said grandfather, seeing that Rakesh was upset. It will grow again. Cherry trees are tough. Towards the end of the rainy season, new leaves appeared on the tree. Then a woman cutting grass scrambled down the hillside, her sides swishing through the heavy monsoon foliage. She did not try to avoid the tree. One sweep, and the cherry tree was cut
in two. When grandfather saw what had happened, he went after the woman and scolded her, but the damage could not be repaired.